I'm Grant.
And I'm Joseph. And we're not your typical millennials.
Instead of being buried in our phones, we're out flipping homes.
25 living spaces.
22 bathrooms.
32 bedrooms.
And countless kitchen and dining combos. With a little bit of charm, a whole lot of sweat, and hard work,
we're creating spaces that millennials and generations beyond can enjoy for years to come.
Just really can't believe he missed his flight.
So I was flying in to this project that we only had 24 hours to do, and I missed my flight. So we were 12 hours behind on the project, and it wasn't looking too good.
What's up, buddy? How you doing? Sweet. Okay, let's get it on the road.
can't believe he missed his flight.
The reason I brought Grant and Joseph in is because at one point my children and grandchildren all lived with me, which I enjoyed, but when they left, the room became unfunctional. And now I needed a space that my children and grandchildren feel, especially my grandchildren, feel comfortable, feel relaxed, can bring their friends, can play video games, can color, paint, read books, whatever they want to do, and I want them to enjoy coming to Mimi and Papa's house.
So the room, it's not functional, it's very cut up, and I want to create 3 very distinct spaces for the kids to be able to color and create art. I want them to be able to curl up with a book and read, and then a place for them to watch TV or even game.
I have high expectations, and I look forward to seeing what Grant and Joseph do with the upstairs room.
There's a bench beside you to your left. Oh, Jesus.
Both my grandmother and mother are designers, so it was only natural that I was bitten by the design bug. And I've been flipping homes since I was 21.
My grandfather was a contractor, so at an early age I fell in love with helping him work. And he really liked to see things built with your hands. So between him and my father, I just love to have something built that I could actually hold and see. Me and Grant make a really good team if you think about it.
Hey girls, how's it going?
Good.
Good. Okay, so we are redoing Mimi's game room for all of you. So I brought you a little surprise. Everybody, choose a crayon, and I need a beautiful masterpiece, okay? Can you do that?
Sometimes I just get out of one.
You do? That's okay, because I love coloring outside the lines. That's what keeps it fun. All right, keep them close, a couple more steps. All right, keep them close when we get in. We're gonna count to 3. So 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I can't believe this is the same room.
Well, we've got everything on your checklist. We've got the art area over here with the kitchenette. We've got the nook for the reading. They can grab a book, sit there and have a seat. We've got the game center over here. They can watch their movies. They can play Fortnite.
Wow, I'm majorly impressed. These guys did amazing. The little alcove, the window seat, a part that I've never even used for 10 years, and it looks amazing. I love a place that the little granddaughters can come and at the table and play, color, read, learn, draw. I love that. I love the sitting area where Brant and his friends can come and play video games. I'm excited about that. I look forward to being able to have a sleepover with the grandkids. I think these 2 guys did an amazing job. You excited?
Yes!
So 2 essentials for this project were definitely time management and organization. With Joseph missing his flight connection, it cut our time for this project in half. So we had to work through our project really quickly to make sure that it was ready for the big reveal tonight.
My favorite piece would definitely be the table and the bench. It's a great place for them to come and create, whether that be memories or artwork or something like that.
Okay, so my favorite spot would have to be the reading nook. It turned out phenomenal. It's a great place for the kids to curl up with their favorite book. They've got some comfy pillows, some great sunlight. They've got a fun light fixture. It's definitely my favorite spot in the entire room.
I can't wait for the memories that'll be made with my grandchildren as they grow up in the years to come.